We all have our own journey and choose our own path, each with a unique story to share. Capture all your adventures and more with KooCam. KooCam is the revolutionary 3D stereo and 360-degree camera to unleash the way you shoot. KooCam is the first camera in the world equipped with a state-of-the-art rotatable 3-lens camera, allowing KooCam to not only record 360-degree 4K videos, but also 3D stereo videos. KooCam comes equipped with shake-free technology, so your picture is always smooth. And its unique switchable structure allows you to effortlessly change modes to easily adapt to whatever the day brings. For every exploration, destination, or experience you share, KooCam will capture all your most memorable moments, even at 120 frames per second, for amazing effects. Shoot freely with KooCam. No matter how you position the camera, KooCam will capture it. With 3D stereo lenses and the groundbreaking depth-based technology, you can even refocus and reframe the photos after you've shot them. Our editing app allows you to use incredible technology to not only discover the best shot, but enhance them to the next level. Live stream your 360-degree panoramic or your 180 degrees of 3D space anytime, anywhere. Imagine an easy and simple way to record, edit, and share all your 360-degree and 3D moments, all in one place. KooCam uses the most cutting-edge imaging technology. We pack incredible professional features into a small camera, giving you a powerful and revolutionary new way of thinking. Explore the possibilities with KooCam, the next generation of imaging.
Aqua Robot Man Nemo, an underwater drone, unveils the mystery of the underwater world to you. We adopt the innovative 4-duct QAS balance driving technology, allows you to freely conduct actions of various difficulties under the water. It hovers as you wish, and a wonderful panoramic view of the underwater world will be achieved. Look, it's that easy to break into the world of fish. With VR mode and a matching VR somatosensory package, which enables you to feel the exciting underwater world like you are just diving in the sea. Nemo adopts the camera with a high performance of 4K, 30 frames per second. Adjustable matrix fill light bring you the picture quality of Blockbuster. Real-time transmission enables you to follow your own bent on the shore, exploring the underwater world, sharing by one click. Fish would be tracked quietly, making it easy for you to go fishing. Search and rescue, ship detection, scientific exploration. It's always the best helper. It works underwater for 3 hours consecutively. The unique removable waterproof battery allows me to continue my life indefinitely. Board a plane with 2 pieces batteries directly and go anywhere in the world without any obstacles. Aqua Robot Man Nemo, traveling in the underwater world and exploring the infinite splendor.
Tennis is one of the greatest sports of all time. The feeling you get when you hit that perfect shot or kick serve down the line is indescribable. Perfecting these shots takes countless hours of practice, and with that comes the inevitable chore of picking up hundreds of tennis balls scattered all over the court. Players and coaches everywhere know the frustration and tediousness that goes into collecting balls during a practice session. And this is why we invented Tenabot. Tenabot is the world's first robotic ball collector. Tenabot perfectly integrates computer vision and artificial intelligence to detect tennis balls on the court and collect them for players. You can let Tenabot work autonomously using the station that easily attaches to the net post, or use Tenabot's app to customize where in the court the device will clear. Tenabot easily syncs to your phone and even your Apple Watch to make activation quick and seamless. The app also keeps track of how many balls are collected during a session and how often you practice. So feel free to brag to your friends about how you're stepping up your game while never having to pick up another tennis ball. Tenabot was designed with convenience in mind. The removable bucket holds up to 80 balls and lets you easily continue your hitting session after Tenabot has cleared the court. The battery takes only 90 minutes to charge and runs for 4 to 5 hours. Its portable design lets you pick up Tenabot and wheel it on and off the court, just like a suitcase. And when you're done, Tenabot's compact size makes it easy to fit in the trunk of your car. So, instead of picking up balls, players can relax, hide.
The Mars VR project is our new effort to understand how best we can make use of virtual reality technology with the ongoing exploration and settlement of Mars.
Virtual reality could play a critical role in the human exploration of Mars. It will allow millions of people on Earth to travel along with the astronauts and directly participate and assist them in the exploration.
Having virtual reality as an actual engineering tool is of great interest to the space industry as it sits now and for the future of space exploration.
The idea is we send a robot platoon to Mars, map an area, and allow people to explore it in virtual reality. Later on, we send people to map much larger areas and have people travel alongside the astronauts as virtual reality assistants and scouts. Well, what could we do now? Well, at the Mars Desert Research Station, we could try a demonstration of this method of exploration.
MDRS is important to the Mars Society because it gives our crew participants the opportunity to explore their role in getting humans to Mars.
Since 2001, the MDRS has been host to over 190 unique crews comprised of over 1,200 crew members, and all of them get trained on where the facilities are and how to do certain procedures.
I'm hoping we can use virtual reality to give crews an experience of what their mission will be like before they get to the station.
Phase 1 of the Mars VR program will focus on designing training simulations for use at the Mars Desert Research Station, and will be able to provide direct assistance in the training of the crew members. We'll create a virtual reality environment based on the facilities of the MDRS and the real physical terrain around the area. Every moment at the MDRS is precious, just like being in space, and we want them to make the most of it all. If we raise enough funds with the Kickstarter, we'll create additional mission scenarios and places to go on EVA at the MDRS.
Hopefully we can apply these techniques to actual missions that are used on the Red Planet, and we're looking for your support to back the project so we can build this amazing functional VR tool for our futures.
We're asking for your help with this effort. Help us pioneer the exploration of Mars using virtual reality.